हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू 524 मिशन ट्रिपल सी कोर्स ऑन कंप्यूटर सर्टिफिकेट्स। देखिए, ये 100 क्वेश्चंस का पावर बैंक रहेगा और ऐसे आपके लिए 10 पावर बैंक्स लाए जाएंगे और इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल भी आपको हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी। हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। उससे पहले मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा, ये सर्टिफिकेट है और ये 1000 क्वेश्चंस के 10 सीरीज़ रहेंगी, 10 एपिसोड रहेंगे, जिसमें कि आपके साथ मैं वो चीज़ साझा करूंगा जिन्हें मैंने पढ़ा है, जिनके मैंने अपने पास नोट्स बनाए थे। तो शुरू करते हैं। देखिए, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है पास, और मैंने कोई कोचिंग नहीं ली है। इसके साथ देखिए, आप भी इस प्रकार से इन क्वेश्चंस को पढ़कर अच्छे नंबर पा सकते हैं और पास हो सकते हैं। देखिए, शुरू करता हूँ मैं आपके साथ। पहला प्रश्न, और लगातार चलते रहेंगे। अब हम 20 से 22 मिनट का ये रहेगा सेशन। व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एटीएम? ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन। ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन। व्हाट इज़ द शॉर्टकट की टू हाइपरलिंक? शॉर्टकट की टू हाइपरलिंक। CTRL प्लस के, कंट्रोल प्लस के। व्हेन वॉज उमंग ऐप लॉन्च्ड? व्हेन वॉज उमंग ऐप लॉन्च्ड? 2017। 2017। देखते हैं अगले प्रश्न। व्हाट इज़ द मैक्सिमम जूम परसेंट इन इम्प्रेस? तो कितनी मैक्सिमम जूम परसेंट है? वह है 3000%। वह है 3000%। शॉर्टकट की टू फुल स्क्रीन इन लिब्रा ऑफिस राइटर। शॉर्टकट की टू स्क्रीन इन लिब्रा ऑफिस राइटर। कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस जेड। कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस जे। व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ESC? व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ESC? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्लियरिंग सिस्टम। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्लियरिंग सिस्टम। देखिए, आप नए हैं तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ठोक दीजिएगा। इसी प्रकार से एक 1000 क्वेश्चंस की ये सीरीज़ रहेगी। आर देयर हाउ मैनी बिट्स इन IPv6? आर देयर हाउ मैनी बिट इन IPv6? 128 बिट। 128 बिट। कैन वी जूम मोर देन 100% इन लिब्रा ऑफिस कैलकुलेशंस? कैन वी जूम मोर देन 100% इन लिब्रा ऑफिस कैलकुलेट? ट्रू। ट्रू। व्हाट इज़ दी Which is the longest button on the keyboard? तो longest button on the keyboard, backspace. Back. Can you withdraw money from bank through AEPS? Can you withdraw money from bank through AEPS? True. What is the full form of CD-ROM? What is the full form of CD-ROM? Compact disc read only memory. Compact disc read only memory. In which menu the command of macro is found? In which menu the command of macro is found? Tools. Tools. In which menu the command of macro is found? Tools. What is the full form of DNS? What is the full form of DNS? Domain name system. Domain name system. What is the MAC address written in? What is the MAC address written in? Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. What is the full form of PDA? What is the full form of PDA? Personal Digital Assistant. Personal Digital Assistant. Who is the founder of mouse? Who is the founder of mouse? Douglas Engelbart. Douglas Engelbart. Who is the founder of mouse? Douglas Engelbart. What is the full form of MSI? What is the full form of MSI? Medium Scale Integration. Medium Scale Integration. What is the full form of CVV? What is the full form of CVV? Card verification value. Card verification value. What is the first AI programming language? What is the first AI programming language? LISP. LISP. The shortcut CTRL plus J is used for justify. The shortcut CTRL plus J is used for justify. Can Umang app be used only on Android? Can Umang app be used only on Android? True. देखिए, आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ठोक दीजिएगा, अपने दोस्तों के साथ साझा कर दीजिएगा जो ट्रिपल सी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। विच इज़ द इनबिल्ट ब्राउज़र इन UBUNTU? विच इज़ द इनबिल्ट ब्राउज़र इन UBUNTU? फायरफॉक्स. 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 इज़ इट नेसेसरी टू राइट द सब्जेक्ट वाइल सेंडिंग ईमेल? इज़ इट नेसेसरी टू राइट द सब्जेक्ट वाइल सेंडिंग ईमेल? फॉल्स. वेयर इज़ फुट नॉट यूज्ड? वेयर इज़ फुट नॉट यूज्ड? Bottom of page. Bottom of page. What prevents unwanted sites from opening on the computer while running the internet? What prevents unwanted sites from opening on the computer while running the internet? Pop-up blocker. pop-up blocker. What is the full form of URL? What is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. Can I send email to multiple people at once? Can I send email to multiple people at once? True. Can I send multiple people at once? True. What does E stands for in AEPS? What does E stand for in AEPS? Enabled. Enabled. Which type of QR code? Which type of QR code? 2D. Which type of QR code? 2D. Does RBI issue only 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 notes? False. Does RBI issue only 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 notes? False. Which is the inbuilt browser in Windows 10? Which is the inbuilt browser in Windows 10? Edge. Edge. What will be the result equal to product 2 sum 7 5 24? What will be the result product 2 sum 7 5 24? Can we change the number of WhatsApp account? Can we change the number of WhatsApp account? True. True. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity. Who is the founder of MySpace? Who is the founder of MySpace? Tom Anderson and Chris Dewulfe. Tom Anderson and Chris Dewulfe. QR code is 2D. QR code is 2D. True. QR code is 2D. True. What is the full form of QR code? Quick response code. Quick response code. Quick response code. You can upload files up to 100 MB in DigiLocker. You can upload files up to 100 MB in DigiLocker. False. False. What is the extension name of Impress? What is the extension name of Impress? ODP. ODP. When was Neft launched? When was Neft launched? 205. 205. When was Neft launched? 205. Who gives PNR? Who gives PNR? Chris. Who gives PNR? Chris. CRIS. Who gives PNR? CRIS. What is the navigator shortcut in LibreOffice Impress? What is the navigator shortcut in LibreOffice Impress? CTRL Shift plus F5. Control plus Shift plus F5. Shortcut key for central align. Control plus E. Shortcut key for center align. Control plus E. Who discovered Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Who discovered Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Which of the following is a personal computer? Which of the following is a personal computer? Microcomputer. Microcomputer. Which of the following is a personal computer? Microcomputer. How to check IMEI number? How to check IMEI number? Star hashtag 06 hashtag. How to check IMEI number? Star hashtag 06 hashtag. In which generation was the largest computer? In which generation was the largest computer? First. Ethernet is a LAN. Ethernet is a LAN. देखिए, आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ठोक दीजिएगा, अपने दोस्तों के साथ साझा कर दीजिएगा और जो CCC की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो इन क्वेश्चंस को ध्यान से कीजिएगा। ऐसे आपके लिए 10 से 10 सीरीज़ लाई जाएंगी जिसमें कि 100 क्वेश्चंस की एक सीरीज़ रहेगी और 1000 क्वेश्चंस आपके साथ साझा किए जाएंगे अगले एक महीने के अंदर। तो इसी के साथ चलते हैं आगे। विच इज़ द फर्स्ट सर्च इंजन? विच इज़ द फर्स्ट सर्च इंजन? बिंग। हाउ मैनी इंटरफेस इन LibreOffice? हाउ मैनी इंटरफेस इन LibreOffice? 4. How many interface in LibreOffice 4? Is Swift code used for? Is Swift code used for? To send money to foreign banks. To send money to foreign banks. To send money to foreign banks. Best site for encyclopedia. Best site for encyclopedia. Wikipedia. Wikipedia. Which command is used to create a new directory? Which command is used to create a new directory? mkdir. mkdir. Full form of ALU. Full form of ALU. Arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit. How much money transfer in RTG? How much money transfer in RTG? No limit. No limit. No limit. How many columns in LibreOffice calculation? How many columns in LibreOffice calculation? 1024. 1024. What is the file extension of LibreOffice CAL? Cal. What is the file extension of LibreOffice Cal? .ods. .ods. What is called written above the normal letter? What is called written above the normal letter? Superscript. Superscript. How many rupees are deducted in RTGS from 2 lakhs to 25 lakhs? How many rupees are deducted in RTGS from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs? 25. 25. What is bug? What is bug? An error in computer program. An error in computer program. What does Control plus Shift plus F9 use? What does Control plus Shift plus F9 use? Unlink. 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 What is X-86? What is X-86? Processor. Processor. What is X-86? Processor. What is the Umang app related to? What is the Umang app related to? Digital India. Digital India. Digital India. Full form of PIN. Full form of PIN. Personal identification number. What is the full form of PIN? Personal identification number. Which is non-volatile memory? Which is non-volatile memory? ROM. Read-only memory. Read-only memory. Scanner is a shortage device. Scanner is a storage device. False. Scanner is a storage device. False. Aadhaar card issued by which of the following? Aadhaar card issued by which of the following? UIDAI. UIDAI. What does POS mean? What does POS mean? Point of sale. Point of sale. When you type numbers in Excel, what is the default alignment inside the cell? When you type numbers in Excel, what is the default alignment inside the cell? Right align. Right align. Right align. Which one of the following should you use if you want all the slides to appear the same in the presentation? Personal identification number. Personal identification number. Which of the following should you use if you want all the slides to appear the same in the presentation? Personal identification number. Personal identification number. Which is non-volatile memory? Which is non-volatile memory? ROM. Read-only memory. Read-only memory. What is e-commerce usually associated with? What is e-commerce usually associated with? Buy or sell. Buy or sell. What is e-commerce usually associated with? Buy or sell. Buy or sell. Which layer or OSI model is responsible for creating and identifying frame boundaries? Which layer of OSI model is responsible for creating and identifying frame boundary? Data link layer. Data link layer. What is the full meaning of worm? What is the full meaning of worm? Write once, read many. Write once, read many. What is included in the computer system? What is included in the computer system? Hardware and software. Hardware and software. Hardware and software. देखिए, आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ठोक दीजिएगा, अपने दोस्तों के साथ साझा कर दीजिएगा। और आप यदि आप CCC की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो हम आपके लिए लाएंगे ऐसे 10 सीरीज़ जिसमें कि 100 क्वेश्चंस का एक पैनल रहेगा और ऐसे आपको 1000 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे। इसका पेपर मैंने दिया था तो इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस में से मैंने तैयारी करी थी और ये पेपर मेरा बिना किसी कोचिंग के पास हो चुका है। तो शुरू करते हैं आगे के प्रश्न। इन ऑर्डर फॉर अ ब्राउज़र टू कनेक्ट टू अदर रिसोर्सेज द एड्रेस ऑफ दैट लोकेशन और रिसोर्स मस्ट बी स्पेसिफाइड. They are called address URLs. In order for a browser to connect to other resources, the address of that location or resource must be specified. They are called address URLs. Which of the following is one of the software of document collaboration? Which of the following is one of the software of document collaboration? Group Office. Group Office. Which of the following is one of the software of document collaboration? Group Office. Personal computer uses a number of chips on a main circuit board. The common name of this board is motherboard. Personal computer uses a number of chips on a main circuit board. The common name of this board is motherboard. On which thing does bank takes interest? On which thing does bank takes interest? Loans. On which thing does bank takes interest? Loans. This is not a view of MS PowerPoint. This is not a view of MS PowerPoint. Presentation view. Presentation view. Presentation view. The act of writing a post for a blog is called blogging. The act of writing a post for a blog is called blogging. Which of the following HTML tags defines the title? Which of the following HTML tags defines the title? Title. External devices such as printer, keyboard, and modem are known as peripheral. External devices such as printer, keyboard, and modem are known as peripheral. Can the formatting of a block of the text be cleaned up with? Can the formatting of a block of a text be cleaned up with? Edit clear formats. Edit clear formats. How many bits are in an IPv4 address? How many bits are in an IPv4 address? 32 bits. 32 bits. What is the full meaning of MIME? What is the full meaning of MIME? Multi-purpose internet mail extensions. Multi-purpose internet mail extensions. What is the full form of MIME? MIME. Multi-purpose internet mail extensions. Which of the first electronic digital computer? Which of the first electronic digital computer? ENIAC. 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 The first electronic digital computer is ENIAC. Full form of TDS. Tax deducted at software. Full form of TDS. Tax deducted at source. Full form of TDS. Tax deducted at source. What are the things of a user needs to connect to the internet? What are the things a user needs to connect to the internet? Telephone, modem, computer. What are the things a user needs to connect to the internet? Telephone, modem, computer. Can you remote login at any computer through Telnet? Can you remote login at any computer through Telnet? Can you remote login at any computer through Telnet? Which particular generation of computers is associated with artificial intelligence? Fifth generation. Fifth generation. Which particular generation of computer is associated with artificial intelligence? Fifth generation. Fifth generation. Which sign is used for governmental organizations in naming domains? Which sign is used for governmental organizations in naming domains? .gov. 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 इसी के साथ आशा करते हैं आपको आज के CCC के प्रश्न पसंद आए होंगे और इसी प्रकार हम आपके लिए अगली सीरीज़ लाएंगे, सेकंड सीरीज़, और पूरे महीने के अंदर 1000 क्वेश्चंस आपके साथ शेयर कर दिए जाएंगे जिन्हें पढ़कर मैं पास हुआ हूं। इसी के साथ आशा करता हूं आपको 524 परिवार पर अच्छी जानकारी प्राप्त हुई होगी। अपना कमेंट अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर करके छोड़िएगा ताकि हमें पता लगे कि आपको ये सीरीज़ कैसी लगी। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।